I won Loula's giveaway. I'm so excited. I can't wait for you to see what's in this giveaway box.
I don't know what that is. That's cool. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm so excited. It's my dog. Astro, it's just me. Oh, what is that? Oh, CA glue. Oh. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I don't even know where to look. I don't know what to open first. Okay, that's a mystery box. We're gonna hold off on that. Astro! I'm so sorry. Jeez. Ooh, I got a mold. That's cool, little dish. I don't have anywhere to put this because my craft room is just still in boxes. It's crazy. It's crazy. Oh my gosh. Look at all the colors. Look at all the colors. Sorry. Okay, I'm really excited. I'm seeing some stuff in here that is very cool. Oh my gosh, you guys. Well, I'm reorganizing my craft room, so I think Create and Bloom colors and stuff are going to need to get their own space. Look. Oh, that color is so pretty. And this is the opaque resin pigment. I'm working on a really small desk right now because I haven't opened my dream box. I have one of those dream box storage cabinets that has a built-in desk and stuff. So I'm using one of the side tables for that right now. I don't have the desk pulled out, so I have way less room. Okay, so funny story about this color. I wanted this color and I chose between this one and the one that came in a set, Sweet Cherry. I have them both now. Just gonna geek out this entire time. This was one from Loula. She worked with Louise for this amazing giveaway, and I don't win things very often. I was just beside myself. So I haven't been in my house. I have some very cool stuff to show. Hydrangea. Oh, look at that blue. Is that not just the prettiest blue? Very well packaged as usual. Thank you, Louise. Ooh. Oh, look at this. That is a gorgeous color. Muskmallow. I have no idea what a muskmallow is. I'm assuming it's some sort of plant, and that is pretty if that's the color. One of the best days ever. I just, wow. Okay. Okay, so this one's cool. Salvia. Look at that green. Gonna have to mix that a little bit, but all the good pigments need to be mixed. I have a lot of salvia in my backyard, actually. It is native to the Northern California area, and it attracts hummingbirds and butterflies and bees. So I love it. Okay. Hello. This is amazing. I've wanted to try Apex Resin forever, and I haven't because I'm in the States. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I can't wait to try this. I got a color wheel. Oh my gosh, I haven't had an actual color wheel since college. Huh, I love it. Thank you. This is so great. Even if you know color theory, it's still handy to have them. Okay, this is so cool. Okay. I have no words. I'm So excited, I'm speechless. Okay, well, you know me, my inner hippie loves these fun little flower power hippie flower shapes, so I can't wait to make something with that. If I'm remembering correctly, this is basically a kit to do like marbling. I might be completely off on that, so don't quote me on that, but oh, look. And I have these. Oh, I love these. Oh my gosh. Somebody made these and I had like instant envy. I'm so excited. And this comes with a flameless tea light. This must be a candle holder and it's an owl and I love it. Oh my gosh, the owl even has all of the little sparkle stars and the 4-pointed stars that I love. Like how, oh, I just bonked into you. Sorry. This is all so great. Check that out. This is gonna be a fantastic resin pour. I'm so excited. Loula and Lou, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. This is just amazing. I'm floored. It looks like it's supposed to be pulled, doesn't it? It does. Ha! Look at the big brain on Erica today. Oh, look how cute this is. You guys, I can't stop making noises. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So this looks like more, oh, there we go. This looks like more metallic, glittery. Oh, look at that. Oh. Okay. Ooh, glitter and little, looks like shell bits. So pretty. Oh, look at that crushed glass. That's gorgeous. And seashells. Oh, I'm so excited. Beautiful shells. So pretty. And we've got some, ooh, what is this? It looks like ground shells, sand, like, what's the word I'm looking for? And then, ooh, thicker pieces. Coarse. Haha, it's like very coarse sand. Oh, look at those bits. That's gorgeous. Ooh, and sand. Check that out. That's a really nice color. It's got like a sort of a reddish brown look to it. And most of the dirt around here where I live in Northern California in the Sacramento area actually has red dirt. Not super red. The further up into the foothills of the Sierra Nevada mountain range you go, the redder it gets. But that is pretty, that belongs on my nails. That belongs on everything. Everything. Look at that. Wow. Iridescent flakes. It's called Mirage Luxury Sparkle. Yeah, no kidding. Luxury Sparkle is right. Oh, and a little set of the Apex Resin 1 coat. I can't wait to try that. Looks like I'm gonna get to try it soon. Cell Magic. Cell Magic. This is fantastic for waves. Look, I have a mini flower. Okay, I'm gonna be making some waves on here. Not like drumming up trouble. I don't mean that kind of making waves. With resin, of course. And then we have, look at these. The little trial sizes of marine blue, I believe it says. And the other doesn't have a label, but it's a beautiful sort of light bluish gray. Really pretty. And then another little one. I have so many colors. I don't even know what I'm gonna do with them all. I'm so excited. Isn't this like the best problem to have? And Dorset glue. Oh my goodness. Wow. That is pretty. I just saw somebody post on one of the Discord groups about a collaboration happening with Smurfs. Hey, look, I have Smurf blue. I guess I'll be doing something for that, huh? Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Look at all of this. So here's the challenge, is for me to use all of this stuff together. Wow. Oh, look at all this good stuff I have. Again, Loula and Lou. Wow. I don't know what else to say other than wow. I'm beyond happy. I am so excited. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to use all of this. Oh my goodness. And somebody just came home, so I guess that's my cue. But thank you again. Thank you so much. Thank you.